student, welcome to online tutorial session. Today I will start the practical demonstration of the chapter. So we go through the some lab activity part. Already the theory portion I have explained with the practical demonstration, but there are a few questions are there you need to practice for the lab activity. So those programs one by one today I will explain. Okay, so the first question is that create a worksheet to depict the sales achieved by PI Industries that has branches at New Delhi, Mumbai and Hyderabad from 2019 to 2012. Okay, so create a line graph to show the trends of sale through the year of all three branches. Okay, so this is the question is there. So you will get this question in the formative assessment part or under a lab time activity part in the book called Connects with Computer, that is book 8, and this is by the publishers Eduline. Okay, and this comes in the chapter or more about MS Excel, that is chapter 4. Okay, lab time part. So question I have dictated. Now they have given some data also, so the data I need to prepare. So initially what you have to do, that we need to showcase the name of the company, then the three branches and the sale according to this order. Okay, so let's starting with the second column. Okay, I'm expanding it, and let's go for the March and center so that I can write down the titles. Okay, margin center options I have clicked. Now I can start writing. Okay, so what they have written, it is sales of PI Industries. Okay, so I have written this one, sales of PI industry. Okay, then the formatting one I will do it later on. Okay, so here is the branch name. So as branch name, this would be not fitted in a cell, that I am changing the cell with. Okay, so now I can write down over here branch name. Okay, branch name done. Next it is the sales of 2009. Okay, next is the sale of 2010, then 2011, then 2012. Okay, so first name is that New Delhi. Okay, the second name they have given, that is Mumbai, the branch in Mumbai. Okay, next they have branch in Hyderabad as well. Okay, Hyderabad done. So sales I am writing in 2009, the sale is 2309. In 2010 the sale is 2443. 2011 the sales is 2656, and 2012 is 3036. Okay, now next is 3749, that is 3749. Next is 4132, that is 4132. Next is 3625. Next is 3700. For the Hyderabad, it is 3758. Next is 3414. Next is 4296. It is 4682. So okay, so data are already I have given. Now it's time for the formatting one. Okay, so I will apply border part over here. Okay, so here border you are able to see. Then I will apply the whole border. Apply border in all parts. Okay, then make it bold. Everything so I have make it bold. So formatting part is now done. Okay, so now the next thing they have given us that we have to make a chart. Okay, that is a line chart depending upon this. So let's select the data as a whole. Okay, next there is a home tab to insert tab we are going, and under this there is a chart option is there. Under this they have told us to do the line chart. Under the line chart there are several types of line chart is there. Okay, this one is a 3D line chart, this one 2D. Okay, so one chart we have selected. You are able to see this one. So you are able to see the chart over here. Okay, it is done. Just New Delhi, Mumbai and Hyderabad you are able to see the data, and the chart title part if you can copy from here. If you select, it is become copy and you can paste it over here. We can here write down also chart table, that is sales of instead of chart title you can write down this one. Okay, so in this way you can make a one chart. Okay, so I hope the line chart part, this activity is clear to you. Thank you student. I'm ending my lecture over here.